This one center is on the path, and it's at the end of the path. What if it's in the middle? Okay, so like in here. And you can try that. And you can select that profile and select the path. And then you have a couple of options showing up on here. I'm not going to make it big. One is direction one, and then bi-directional. That's going to be full span on the opposite side. Okay, so either one side, the other side, or both. Okay, so you're going to have that option if the profile is in the middle. What if the sketch is not on that path? Okay, in this case, that center is on the path, but what if it's a remote? Okay, so if I try that, you select that as a profile and the same path, and it's gonna keep the offset distance and still make that sweep. Okay, so I'm gonna make that path visible. So I'm gonna go over that. So even if that is remote, it's not like intersecting or not, don't need to share any of these profile with the path. Same will do on this guy. Okay, so you can do on your own with the try on your own. And what if the sketch is right there? Okay, it's this location. And if I try to do that, and do it, it's kind of weird here. I don't know why this. It could be SolidWorks bug. I'm not quite sure why it's kind of making this weird geometry, but nonetheless, it kind of works. It doesn't give me any error. But let's choose instead that one, choose this one. Okay, choose that profile and try to make it, well, it reveals error. Okay, so this guy, I'm going to delete this. This one works, but this one doesn't. And the difference is that this first sketch intersects some part of the path, while this one doesn't. Okay, this one never touches any part of the path, but this guy intersect at this point with the path. So that's the difference. So if the sketching plane intersect any part of the path, then it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't.